Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be finding the first barn find, which is a Dodge Barracuda. So, let's go. You have to go in single player to do it. It's in the desert. So, once I get to the place, I'll go on the map. So, you can take a screenshot in case you want to do it. Turn right. And I'll just keep it. I will probably do some more after that like videos, like where the second barn find is, and the third, and also I might do some next. It's a really fun game. We're not sponsored, but it's a really fun game, so I would recommend checking it out if you don't have this game already. Fun game. I haven't played in a long time, but I'm getting better at it. This is what this is I see it. There's a Dodge Barracuda. I think I mentioned that. It's a really cool car. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. I almost fell off. There it is. Okay, I'll show you. There it is. Right here. I'll let you give me a second to pause the video right now. Take a screenshot or something. Okay, so. So that, yeah, so that's the video. That's how you find the first. Okay, so it'll show up over there. So that's in a video. I hope you enjoyed it and got what you need. So bye everybody. See you later.